Alright, question 6 and 7 in the homework 3 are very similar because we're looking to find different combinations of sums or subtractions of fractions in terms of each other. So for the first example, we see that actually in both we see that the denominators are similar. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to add or subtract the two numbers to create whole numbers to make this a lot easier. So if we look at the first fraction in both, 2 and 7, we can see that we can combine 2 and the 7 to get 9 if we add, but we should also check the others. If we've got 6 and 11, so if we're adding these, we've got minus 6 plus minus 11, that gives us minus 17, and that's going to give us a whole number as well. Adding these, 13 minus 6 give minus 19, and that will also give a whole number. So to make that clearer, let's just do this here. We're going to say a plus b, if we're going to add them together, then we've got to have 2 over 9 plus 7 over 9, the first fractions. Then the second fractions we have minus 6 over 17 plus minus, let's say, plus minus 11 over 17, because remember we're adding. And then we have minus 13 over 9 in A, 13 over 19, and we're adding the negative 6 over 19. And when we simplify all of this, we have 9 over 9, we have minus 17 over 17, that should just be 1 minus, we have minus 19 over 19. And we should see that when we simplify all of this, we get 1 minus 1 minus 1. So the question now, if we think back, and this remember is equal to a plus b. The question is saying find b in terms of a. So we want to make b the subject. So to have b by itself here, we're going to subtract a. So all of this simplifies to minus 1, and we're subtracting a, and we can see that that's option B. So here that we were adding, in this one here, let's compare the two fractions. We've got 7 and 5. So it looks like if we subtract 5, we'll get 2, but we should check the others. So let's see, 9, if we subtract minus 6, we're adding 5, that gives us 15. Yep, that'll work, because that's a multiple of 5. 21, if we subtract 5, we get 16, and that's a multiple of 8. So that's going to work out nicely. So in this case, we're going to say x minus y and work that out. So 7 over 2 and minus 5 over 2. The middle fractions we got plus 9 over 5, and remember we're subtracting the one in y, minus 6 over 5. And we've got plus 21 over 8 minus the 5 over 8. Alright, so combining these together we have 2 over 2. These, remember, subtracting a negative means we're adding, so this is going to be 15, 6 plus 9 over 5. And again here we have 16 over 8. So that'll all simplify to 1 plus 3 plus 2. So what we have, if we just rewrite it over here, we have x minus y equal to 6. So we're going to find this time y in terms of x. So let's make y the subject. By adding y, we'll have to subtract 6. So y is equal to x minus 6.